Hi, welcome to Great English Online. This is Dr. Glenda Rose in Austin, Texas, USA. This week we're going to talk about how to use a and an. You may already know the basics of using a and an, and this week we're going to talk about some more specific rules for using these two words. We use a and an with general singular nouns. That means that the main word in the phrase is a person, a place, or thing. There is one person, one place, or one thing that we're talking about, singular, and it is in general, not talking about a specific person, a specific place, or specific thing. So these three criteria have to be met: general, singular, and a noun. For example, a bear is an animal. This is not a specific bear that is an animal, but in general, a bear is an animal. And a firefighter has a difficult job. It's not a specific firefighter, it's firefighters in general that have difficult jobs. We can use a and an to move from general to specific. For example, when we're introducing something, someone left a pen on the chair. The pen is being introduced, and so it is general. The chair is the same chair that you and I are thinking about, so it's specific. So we introduce this general pen by where it's located on a specific chair. We can then say, the pen the person left on the chair is red. Now it's a specific pen, the pen that was left, and we have a reference for that. So moving from general to specific, you start with a or an, and then you move to the. Just as a reminder, we use a with consonant sounds and an with vowel sounds. It's important to remember that it is the sound and not the letter that is important. For example, we say a horse, but an hour. We say a university, but an umbrella. And we say an X-ray, an MRI. So it is the sound that you have to listen for and not the letter. Sometimes I have students who ask, what is the difference between a and one? Use a and an for general conversation. Use one when the number or quantity is important. For example, I ask, do you have a pencil? This is a general question. I'm not asking about a specific pencil or a quantity of pencils. I'm just asking in general. However, you can say, yes, but I only have one pencil with a red eraser. In this case, the number of pencils with a red eraser is important, and so in that case I use one instead of a or an. I also get questions about pronunciation. When we speak very slowly, we can say a key, a bear. When we put this into a sentence or phrase, however, it becomes a. I have a key. I have a key. And very often it will actually connect with the vowel sound that precedes it. I have a key. Here's another example. An apple. An often sounds like n. I have an apple. An apple. I have an apple. I have an apple. So you can hear that vna gets connected together. I have an apple. Very nice. The apple that I have is green. Once I've identified it with an, remember, as a general, I can change to the to be specific. Okay, it's time to try the quiz. Go to www.greatenglishonline.com and look for the free practice link. You'll find other links there also, private lessons, group lessons, courses, even editing. So thank you for coming, and we hope to see you at Great English Online.